Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number second, and in question number second you have to solve the problems given in example first. When you will see in your book, the first part of first example is about the question of marbles and the second is about the toys, and how to form the quadratic equation of that particular questions is already given in your book. You can see your first example and you have to solve the problems. I am only solving it, or you can say I am finding the value of x for this part and again the value of x in another part. So in this case again you have to factorize to solve the problem, and for the factorization you have to split this into two parts such that their multiplication is 324. And here because plus sign, so their addition must be equals to 45. And we know that to do that you can factorize this 324. So this is 2 into 1, 6, 2, 2 into 8, 1, 3 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 into 3 and 3 into 1. So these are the factors. For that now you have to take any two factor of 324 whose sum is 45. So you can take as 2 into 2 4, and this is 3 into 3 9, 9, this is 81. So 81 into 4 is obviously 324, but 81 plus 4 is not 45. So let's increase it. You can take this 3 as 1 and this 3 as one factor. So this is 2 into 2 4 into 3 6. So 6 2 into 4 4 3s are, sorry, this is 12, and the other is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So clearly their addition means 324 can be written as 12 into 27, but their sum is again not equals to 45. Now I am taking these 4 as one factor and this another as the second factor. So this is actually 2 into 2 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36 into, and this is 9. Clearly 36 into 9 is 324 and the sum of 36 and 9 is 45. So you can split this 45 into 36x plus 9x, and this is 324 equals to 0. Now you can open the bracket. So this is 30x, 36x minus 9x plus 324 equals to 0. When there is a negative sign, you have to change both the signs inside the bracket. Now you can take x as common, so only x minus 36 will remain from the two terms, and from here you have to take something common so that inside the bracket only x minus 36 will remain inside the bracket. So clearly you have to take 9 common. Taking 9 as common, from 9x only x will remain inside, and from 324's factor, if 9 is taken out, so only 36 will remain inside the bracket, and with negative sign. Then only these negative positive will become positive negative. Sign will be changed. So now from these two terms you can take x minus 36 as common, and from the other two x minus 9, and the value of this equals to 0. We know that if the values of two factor multiplied is 0, so obviously the value of each factor must be 0. So the value of x must be 36 and another value will be 9. So whatever the values are asked in the question, the values are 36 and 9. You can confirm from your book what are the values, or you can say first of all see what is the question. Similarly in this video also you have to split this 55 into two terms so that their multiplication is 750 and their addition is 55. For that you have to factorize this. So this is 5 1 this is 2 and 25. Again this is 5, 3, 0, and this is 2 into 15, 3 into 5, and 5 into 1. So again you have to check whether which factor sum comes out to be 25. So actually this is 25 into 30. Their multiplication is 750 and their addition is 55. So we can split 55 as 30x plus 25x and 750 equals to 0. Now you can open the bracket. So this is x squared minus 30x minus 25x plus 750 equals to 0. From first two, x can be taken common. So only x minus 30 will remain inside the bracket. And from these two, 25 can be taken out so that x minus 30 will remain inside the bracket. But again you have to take minus 25 as common so that this minus will become positive and this positive will become negative, so that this value and this value are same. So from these two values, again x minus 30 is taken common, so only x minus 25 will remain inside the bracket. Again the values of this factor is equals to 0, multiplication of this factor is equals to 0, so the value of each factor must be equals to 0. So the value of x is 30. In another case, the value of x is 25. So these are roots of this quadratic equation, or you can say these are our desired answers for this question, which is example number first. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.